Righteous fire burning deep inside. Chains can't hold what just set free. Truth and rights for humanity. Fire in the Babylon walls. Tonight, Rasta chant in the moonlight bright. Stand firm, never fall, never stall. Justice rise while the wickedness fall. They build them throne with corruption and lies, but the poor man's tears reach Jah in the skies. Drumbeat echo like thunder sound, calling all warriors gather around. Lion of Judah roar in the land. Freedom message we carry by hand. No more silence, no more fear. The voice of the people loud and clear. Fire in the Babylon walls. Tonight, Rasta chant in the moonlight bright. Stand firm, never fall, never stall. Justice rise while the wickedness fall. Truth like lightning flash in the night, burning away every hidden fight. Prophets speak though they try to hide. The revolution can't be denied. Children of Zion, lift up your head. Walk the path where the prophets tread. Babylon tremble when the drum roll call. Roots and culture breaking the wall. Hear the conga cry, hear the bassline run. Another freedom battle just begun. From the hills to the city street, justice marching to the reggae beat. Fire in the Babylon walls. Tonight, Rasta chant in the moonlight bright. Stand strong till the morning call. Truth and justice conquer all. Drums keep beating like a rebel heart. Truth and justice never drift apart. Babylon try but them can't control the fire of freedom in the people's soul. Walking through the valley of lies and greed, planting every righteous seed. From the ghetto rise a mighty sound, roots of resistance all around. Hear the elders chant in the midnight air, songs of courage everywhere. Every chain that Babylon made soon will crumble, soon will fade. Children dancing in the reggae light, hope still shining through the night. No more fear and no more shame. Truth and rights we must proclaim. Fire in the Babylon walls. Tonight, Rasta chant in the moonlight bright. Stand firm, never fall, never stall. Justice rise while the wickedness fall. From the mountains through the ocean tide, Rasta truth we cannot hide. Every drum beat shake the ground. Freedom message spread it around. Babylon towers start to shake. Every lie them shake the grind. But your light shine through the dark, igniting every rebel spark. Hold the banner, lift it high. Let the truth reach every sky. No more silence in the land. Freedom marching hand in hand. When the trumpets sound so clear, Babylon tremble, Babylon fear. Roots and culture standing tall. Jaja watching